Yeah, boy. Oh, yes. Whoa. Tapos yun pa lang. Oh, ang pogi. G. Wow, it's waterproof. Solid. It's a leather. Man-made leather, I think. This is a man-made leather. Tapos may suede dito sa side. Tapos yung inside niya is parang dry fit type na waterproof. Kaya kahit umulan yan is hindi papasukan sa loob. So this is a high-cut lifestyle motorcycle boots. Let's ride.